everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.1. In today's video, we will discuss about the command palette in spreadsheet. So let's dive into the document module and let's choose a spreadsheet over here. We can easily manage the command palettes from here. So if you are a window user, you can simply use CTRL A. This gives the command palette, and if you want to insert a link, you can insert that, or if you want to make a copy or save anything, you can also do that. Currently we have made a copy. Now we have many more actions to do this, and if you want to see the version history, you can also find the version history over here. And if you want to get the charts or insert a table and or, you can also just get that. And here you can see how it's reflecting. So let's move on to different actions over here, and you can see different functions and everything. So there are n number of functions that can be done under the command palette. And if you are a Mac user, you can simply use command K to get this command palette. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.